Several years back, you see, I met a sage. He was wise, you see, not so much saintly, but very wise. So I asked him what man can do and why he does not do what he can do. So he said that in the apex there is a story. That man was born along with all other things, like with animals, by trees, you see, in forests, with no knowledge of life. He was one of the species. So he used to suffer in the same way as other species suffered. But he had intelligence which other species did not have. So he thought for himself that there must be a creator for me. So with his closed eyes, he prayed, whoever has created me, if you are present, if you have created, let us meet. And God thought that this is the first time any human being has called me. So without hassle, God appeared in front of him. He said, I am your creator. Tell me what you want. And he said, I want to live in a different way. Just now I am suffering in the same way as all other species on earth are suffering. But I want to live in differently, in the way which is best for me. So how can I do it? Give me that capacity. So God said, after all, only once somebody has asked me. So he said, okay. I mean, it is done. He said, what it means? What is done? He said, now the capacity to become what you are is with you. As you think, so you will be. So go on thinking, go on visualizing what you want to become, and you will become that. So we are the maker of our destiny. We are the maker of our future. We are the maker of how young we want to look to be. We want to age or we want to. So psychology of non-aging, you see, is a rebellion against aging. You see, you have to rebel against what is natural. You see, nature is not interested in us, though we may be interested in nature. But we have to be interested in ourselves, and nature helps.
Right.
That's a great thing.
Right. So what you're saying is psychology of rebellion is basically if you don't rebel or if you don't take initiative, then the normal standard course, which is the chaos and disorder, the entropy will follow.
Yeah.
And that's the key factor for the aging, you know. But if you take initiative, if you take the actions, if we are doing our daily meditation, if we are doing our daily morning welcoming of the fresh morning every day, feel ourselves with full of energy, full of life, full of exuberance, then that thing prevails, you know, and that basically renews you every day, every morning,